Welcome to the Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is the Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. It's a CAF Champions League. My brother, how's it?
Yeah, I'm good, my man. I'm good. I'm very happy.
Good. Are you happy with the game today?
I'm happy. They came here to defend. Yeah, we attacked. They came here to defend. Then when we introduced Tembazwane, the only plan they have, it was to defend. Yeah, it was to defend. And away from home, we have to play counter-attack.
Open, yeah.
Yeah, we have to play a counter-attack. We don't have an option. We have to play counter-attacks. Masego will help. Help when we're going forward. Yeah. I'm sure Tembazwane really had a good game.
Played very well, yeah. Even though it was a short period of time, but he played well.
He really played well. He really played well.
And your man of the match?
Man of the match for me, it should be Tebo Komkwena. He really played well. Yeah. Dropping defensive, playing forward. He really did good well.
Thank you so much, my brother. All the best in the second half.
All the best.
Hola.